Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Citizens Bank Business secure method step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the official Citizens Bank website URL in the address bar. Press the enter key to load the site. Locate the business section on the home page. Click on the business option to access business banking services. Find the login button prominently displayed on the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your user ID in the provided field. Double-check your user ID for accuracy. Next, input your password in the designated area. Ensure that your password is entered correctly. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you encounter any issues, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your credentials, if necessary. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate through available features to manage your business banking needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.